Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix face camera not working on Roblox. Do you want to enable camera access on your Roblox? I'll be showing you different methods to solve this problem. The first method we have here is going to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, I just have to scroll, click on app management, app list, search for Roblox. Click on it, click on the permission. So right here I just have to make sure I allow my camera. Having done that, you can also allow your microphone. Having done that, you just have to go back. The second method I have here is to go to your Roblox and verify your age. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the more option, click on settings option, click on account info. If you are below 18, you can increase your age in order to allow Roblox give you access to camera. The third method is if you are making use of a lower version of device, like your camera or your Android has a lower version, it can affect you from having access to camera. You might not be able to access your camera because the device will not support it. The third method that we have here is for you to go to your more option. So right here, you click on the settings option, click on privacy and content restriction, click on communication, click on camera input. So just turn on your camera. So this way you'll be able to have access to your face camera on your Roblox. If this did not work for you, I advise you to off your phone and restart it, off it and on it again, or you restart it. So when it ons, it's going to allow you to have access to all this. So guys, I believe with this guide you'll be able to fix face camera not working on your Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Still remain Felicia. Thanks for watching.